The whimsy of a corset, the comfort of a top, and oh so many ways to wear it. What more could you want in a pattern? Come along and see everything that Wildvine has to offer for your pattern collection. In a pattern that could playfully be called Windward's little sister, the Wildvine Corset Top features many of the same fun design details in a pattern that offers the everyday convenience of a top. Firstly, for clarity, Wildvine is not a structured corset. Rather, it's been inspired by the silhouette of a corset, but adapted to be much more comfortable for those who don't prefer the rigid boning or constriction of a traditional corset. You could almost think of it as a soft corset, wearable in many of the same ways, but without some of the sensory challenges or stiff postures. As we mentioned before, Wildvine shares many of the same fun design details as Windward, such as the rouleau lacing panels, the fully lined bodice, and the burrito rolled straps. You can compare them to the features in this video here. However, Wildvine has its own unique identity and features as well. Let's have a closer look at them. Wildvine features a unique square or V neckline, as well as an option of a square or scoop back neckline. In Wildvine, there are two length options to choose from: a cropped length, which pairs perfectly with dresses, or a longer top length, which sits at the high hip and pairs perfectly with your favorite high-waisted trousers, blouses, and more. Additionally, you can choose from two different hemline options. I've tried both of them here. You can use the fun peplum, which we think gives off some great princessy vibes, or a bound hemline option, more like a traditional corset. Perhaps the best part of Wildvine is just how many unique, fun styling options there are. We'll be back over the next couple of days with some amazing inspiration from our Sew and Show team, as well as a closer look at how you can keep Wildvine looking its best, no matter how you style it. The Wildvine corset is now available in our complete 0 to 38 women's curved fit size range. Want to learn more? Come on over to the pattern shop and check it out. I'll pop a link down in the description. Happy sewing!